Alright, welcome to this next part in the Scarified tutorial. I forgot which part it is. So anyway, we were up here, right? So we just finished the, 80% of the main section. So we were... So we're here. Alright, so I'll stop that note here. And I will just stop that note. That will give me a 16th note break. To come up here, to play the major scale here. Well, actually, technically, it was doing F sharp minor. So, 17. Alternate picking on your right hand. So, this part. Alright, after that, you play that C sharp major, arpeggio one more time. Oh, by the way, I actually played the last note here. Because I moved the next chord shape next to it, so that I don't have to shift. That's why I moved the next chord here, so that I can play the last note there. And then you play the C sharp major one more time. And then when you end this section, you play this 16 note triplet thing. So pull off, pick, 2 pull off, and then up, down, up. Okay, 3 picks. And then 1 down here again. So you may want to work on that a little bit. Alright. So I'll play the whole section slowly. Go. Sorry about that bomb note at the end. By the way, YouTube right now is really awesome. They have this button on your right hand side, bottom right, where you can select this playback speed of the video. So if that was not slow enough for you, make sure to check out that button and slow it down even more. And I think that's a really good way to learn music. All right, so that's the main section. I would see you in the next video where we'll continue.